Hi guys, our project is a metal detector circuit using 555 timer IC. Metal detectors are used in shopping complexes, airports, also in landmines because landmines are basically made up of ferromagnetic materials. Now we will see the components required for our project. The first is a 555 timer IC and two resistors of 10 kilo ohm each, four capacitors, two 2.2 microfarad, one 10 microfarad, and one 1 nanofarad, an air core inductor of 150 turns and 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters diameter, 8 ohm speaker, 9 volt battery, and LM7805. LM7805 is an voltage regulator which converts the 9 volt supply of our battery to 5 volts, which is given as an input to the 555 timer as VCC. Now we will see the internal circuit of the 555 timer. This is the internal circuit diagram of the 555 timer. The first pin is connected to ground, second to trigger, third is output, fourth is reset, fifth control voltage, sixth threshold, seven discharge, and eighth is VCC. This 555 timer mainly works on a flip-flop and two comparators. This flip-flop is normally SR flip-flop, and the 555 timer normally operates in three modes: a stable mode, monostable mode, and bistable mode. Here for our project, we utilize a stable mode operation of the 555 timer. Now we will see the stable operation of this. The stable mode operation, mainly the frequency which is taken out from the third pin depends on the values of these three resistors two resistors and one capacitor, RA, RB, and C. This capacitor gets charged through both RA and RB but discharges only through RB. This is based upon the comparators which is given in this internal circuit and the flip-flop used. And here we derive the time taken for charging and discharging. The total time is for charging and discharging. So the total time is 0.693 into RA plus 2RB into C. Frequency, which is the inverse of the time period, is 1.44 by RA plus 2RB into C. So now we will see the main metal detector circuit we used. Here we are seeing the whole circuit here. These are the resistors which we just saw before, and the fifth pin, which is this control voltage. This is normally connected to a capacitor of 1 nanofarad. This capacitor is to maintain the stability of the circuit, and these resistors we are giving the values as 10 kilo ohms, and 2.2 microfarad. Based on these values, we are getting the frequency of 21.9 hertz, and the audible frequency range is from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So we can clearly hear the 21 hertz when it is 21 hertz, and this is connected to an inductor and capacitor, and this is connected to a speaker. So the sound which is received from the speaker depends on the values of this inductor and capacitor. Here we are fixing the value of the capacitance, and the inductor which we are using is an air cored one. So when we insert a metal into this, the value of the inductance changes. The sound received by the speaker also changes. Hence we are getting a different sound when we insert a metal. Now we will see the working of this. Now we can hear sound. This is without any metal. Now I am placing a metal into this. Now you can observe some other sound. This is our project. Thank you.